The internet is going wild over a mysterious viral clip, a meteorite that supposedly landed in Panama and then began morphing into something straight out of a Marvel movie. The video, titled "Meteorite Turns into Venom," uploaded by TikToker in Panama, shows a glowing rock oozing thick black liquid that moves in an eerily lifelike way. Millions are calling it proof of alien life. Others say it's just clever editing, but one thing's for sure: it has everyone talking. When we dug deeper into the so-called Panama Meteorite mystery, things didn't quite add up. Scientists and space experts quickly pointed out that real meteorites don't behave like that. They don't drip tar-like substances or react to touch. Reddit threads under Panama Meteorite and Panama Alien reveal that users spotted inconsistencies in lighting and shadows, suggesting heavy CGI or the use of magnetic fluid, also known as ferrofluid, which can easily mimic the strange Venom effect seen in the video. The supposed impact site also lacked signs of heat damage, smoke, or a crater, which are expected after a meteorite strike. Some viewers even noted that the rock appears to be handled right after landing, which would be impossible since real meteorites are extremely hot upon impact. On top of that, no local news in Panama has verified any actual meteorite fall matching this footage. While the visuals are convincing and eerie, the lack of scientific evidence, physical samples, or credible witnesses strongly hints that this is just another viral hoax designed to grab attention. Still, the mystery continues to spread across social media, with people debating if it's a sign from outer space or just pure TikTok creativity. What do you think? Real meteorite or viral illusion?